Can you solve this Math Olympiad problem under 3 seconds? Watch. To solve this, 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 54. For us to be able to solve this, first thing we have to look at is that can we express the left and the right hand side to be in the same base? No, we can't, because this is base 3 and this is just number 54. So all we need to do is to take the log of both sides. So if you take the log of 3 power x plus 1, you also have to take the log of 54. Okay? The reason why we took the log is that logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the log. So since we have x plus 1, we are free to multiply it to the log. And that's what? X plus 1 multiply log 3. And that's equals to log 54. Okay? So if you understand this now, we are now going to use log 3 to open the bracket. So log 3 will multiply x and log 3 will multiply 1 so that we get the bracket open. So log 3 times x will give you x log 3, and log 3 times 1 will give you log 3, and that's equals to log 54. Okay? So since we've understood this, the next thing is that we have log 3. So we just have to subtract log 3 from both sides. So if you subtract log 3 from both sides, you see that x log 3 is equal to log 54 minus log 3. From the laws of logarithm, you notice that whenever you are subtracting logarithm in the same base, you are free to divide the numbers. Okay? So we can now have x log 3 to be equals to log 54 divided by 3. Applying that law of what? Logarithm. So when you keep the base the same, so 3 can divide to be 1. 3 divide 5 is 1. 3 divide remainder 2. 3 divide 24 is 8. So basically we have x log 3 is equal to log 18. Okay? So if you have this now, you just have to divide through by log 3 and divide through by log 3. If you do the division, what do you see? X is equals to log of 18 divided by log 3. So basically, 18 can be seen as 9 times 2. Okay? So we can now write x to be equal to the log of 9 times 2, then divided by log 3. Okay? From the law of logarithm, whenever you are multiplying in the same base, you are free to split the numbers. So you can now have it that x will be equals to log 9 plus log 3, log 2, because we are adding. Once you're adding, you are free to multiply the numbers, which gives the same, then divided by log 3. Okay? So here, all you need to do is just to split the fraction. So we have it that 9 can be seen as 3 squared. So we can write it to be log 3 squared divided by log 3 plus log of 2 divided by log 3. Okay? So that we multiply this 2 to the log. This will be 2 log 3 over log 3 plus, you can now see here we have it as log 2 over log 3. At this point, this will now cancel out this. So you see that x is equal to 2. 2 is remaining here. 2 plus, we use change of base. Okay, the base will now become 3. So we have it as log of base 3 of the number 2. And that's the what? Answer. If you found the video interesting, do well to like, comment, and share so that you get notified anytime I make a new post. Bye.